I'm responsible for establishing a number of small-scale hydro plants all around Norway, producing renewable energy, which is good for the nature, good for the environment, good for the consumer. It's renewable, so it means it's there forever. We are operating all over Norway, mostly in places where others don't usually go that much. Fjords and mountains. The roads, they are often steep and slippery in the wintertime, and you need to be able to come to these remote plants at any time, in any weather. So that's a challenge. You need a vehicle you can rely on. What I have experienced so far with the Model S is that it behaves more or less like a four-wheel driven car. With its active air suspension, rear-wheel driven solution, the car's center of gravity, weight, everything is working together. It brings you up even when there is 10-15 centimeters of new snow. When I'm out skiing, I can take up my iPhone, push the app, make sure the car is heated, and even check the charging. I have full control. What I like best with Tesla is the combination of several elements, but the most important is the range of the car. So far I have been using it under minus 10-15 degrees, and I've seen just marginal effects on the range. You don't have to plan. As long as you have a half-charged battery, you can go anywhere and charge on the way. You can charge for free when you come to either a public or a Tesla supercharger. The supercharger, it charges quickly. When I leave Oslo and drive 200 kilometers, I meet the first supercharger, I take a cup of coffee, and half an hour later I can go off with a car that is filled up again. The Model S in a city like Oslo is a perfect car. It is even possible to drive in the bus lane, which means when there is a queue, others are sitting there and waiting, and you can just pass by. You can even park for free in the city. It's a car people are noticing. The Model S has a variety of charging options. You can charge it at home, at the office, at the supercharger. You can basically charge anywhere. I need a car I can trust in any weather conditions, any time of the year. And the Model S does that.